In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenArt AI trail credits. If you're just getting started with OpenArt, these credits are what let you try out different tools without committing to a paid plan right away. I'll walk you through where to find your balance, how to check usage, and where you'll actually spend those credits inside the suite so you can make the most of your trial. First, head to the OpenArt Suite homepage. This is your main hub, and it's where your credit balance is always visible. Look to the top right of the screen for the credit counter next to a small diamond icon. That's your quick snapshot of how many trial credits you have left at any moment. Go ahead and click that area to open the credit panel. Here you can see not only your remaining balance, but also a simple view of where credits are being used inside the platform. This breakdown helps you understand which actions consume credits the fastest, so you can plan your experiments more efficiently. From the Home Hub, navigate to the Video area. This opens the Video Animation and Generation workspace. On this page, you'll notice your credit information stays accessible, and you'll often see indicators or notes about how many credits certain actions require before you run them. Use those cues to decide the best settings for your test. Higher quality outputs typically use more credits, while shorter or lighter settings are more budget-friendly. If you're exploring, start simple, review the results, and then refine. That approach stretches your trial while still letting you learn what matters. Next, return to the suite and switch over to Image. This is the image creation workspace where many people spend a good portion of their trial credits. Just like in the video section, you'll see your balance and usage context as you work. Keep an eye on any cost callouts for generating images, creating variations, or enhancing outputs. A practical tip here is to iterate thoughtfully. Try a few targeted generations, review them carefully, and only then use additional credits to refine or enhance the versions you like most. That measured pace keeps you in control of your balance. To recap, your credits are visible from the top right via the diamond icon. You can review where they're going in the credit panel, and you'll spend them primarily in the video and image workspaces. With that awareness, you'll get clearer results, learn faster, and make every trial credit count.